craziest, my lace. Like when I tell y'all I'm pulling, y'all know my pull tests are crazy.
Hi fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on this new summer lace spray. Yes, I finally have found a good lace spray combo for you guys to try out, as well as I have a new wig I want to showcase for you guys. So if you guys are interested, then definitely stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and already gel back my hair with this as I am smoothing gel. This is a gel, but it's mainly just for like getting my hair back into a ponytail. It's supposed to be less damaging to your hair. I'm doing quotation marks not to really be like, oh, it doesn't really work. It's really not like a super tight hold. It's literally just to smooth back my hair so I can get it in a ponytail. Your girl's been using this product. This is from Shea Moisture and it's their bonding glue. It has tea tree and borage seed oil in it, as well as aloe vera. I don't really care for this for laying down my wigs, summer humidity, sweat, and all that. This is not a mix for me. I ain't even having it. So what your girl I've been doing is putting this bonding gel on my actual hairline, probably like 1 to 2 inches back, because I feel like it does a really good job with holding down my edges. As you guys can see, my edges are clearly like slicked back from the as I am smoothing gel, but you guys can see that my baby hair is still pretty much out. My hair is still kind of sticking up on the sides, and that is a problem for me because when I put my wigs on, my hair is still sticking up. And it also is a really good thing for holding down my wigs throughout the day. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. It's very, very sticky, you guys. Like, no joke. It's crazy of how sticky this product is. So the trick is use an actual tool to slick this product back onto your hairline, because it really does a good job of holding my baby hairs back. Like, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Okay. So this is my wig from MyFirstWigs. It is all blonde. Let me back up so y'all can see the whole little shebang. So this is my wig. They do come like this, okay? This is my prototype wig. This wig literally comes just like this. I wanted it to be a recreation of my wig that I have on my channel that I pretty much dyed from black to this color blonde, and I wanted to get a blonde wig that you guys can have on your own, super beginner friendly. So the wig is 20 inches. I did go ahead and layer the hair just a little bit, but when I say all of these tones, y'all, this is lay hairline. I am going to go ahead and tint it just a little bit more because us chocolate girls, listen, we be needing a little bit of extra sometimes, okay? So the wig does come with adjustable straps for an elastic band, and it also does come with wig combs. Yes, 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 and more yes. So don't worry about the middle part. I'm going to blend that in with foundation a little bit later. So the next thing we want to do is move on to our lace spray. So this is not a sponsored video. I went ahead and purchased all these items by myself. I got these two. These both are from ebin, New York. It's their Wonder Lace Bond. This one is the yellow can extra mega hold for daily use, and this one is extreme firm hold for active use. Now, I don't really pay attention to the whole daily use, active use thing. I pretty much just use both of these together because I just like the way that both of them hold. I like to use the yellow can for placing my lace down, and because this is pretty thick, I don't like to use this spraying directly on my lace. So when I actually spray the spray directly on my lace, I like to go in with the red can. It does give a really good hold. I just know for a fact that this one is the strongest. It can be a little bit much sometimes on your lace when you actually spray it directly on the lace. Another thing that I love about it is the spray nozzle. It's a different type of nozzle. Does not get cakey build up on the nozzle. The best type of nozzle to use for this type of lace spray. I feel like with the Got To Be spray can, it wasn't an actual lace spray. And lastly, the size. So this is 14.2 fluid ounces. If I'm not mistaken, I don't really know exactly where my Got To Be spray can is, but I think that the Got To Be spray can is about 8 to 9 fluid ounces, and this one is 14.2, and this was only $8. I'm gonna pull the lace back. So the first spray I'm going to take is going to be the yellow can, and I'm just going to shake it up. Spray directly like on the front of the lace. And when I spray it, I'm just going to pat it down. And I'm just going to make sure my blow dryer is on cool, and I'm going to blow dry for about 10 seconds. I'm going to do about 3 layers of this spray, and every single time I spray, I'm going to add an additional 10 seconds. So the first time we sprayed it on, we let it blow dry for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to spray it on again and blow dry it for 20 seconds. This can actually has directions. Again, for the Got To Be spray can, there were no directions of how to lay down your lace because it wasn't a lace spray. This is actually a lace spray, and they do give you directions on the back of the can for exactly how to use their product, and they do tell you on the back of the can to blow dry on cool heat. For this step, it's actually going to be something new that I've been doing. I know I usually don't do like any type of baby hair, but I think I want to start doing like slight baby hair, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to take out a little bit of hair from each section. Gonna use some Sebastian shaper spray. This is not a lace spray, it's just to hold back the actual hair. So spray a little bit here and here. And now I'm gonna take the red can, just spray that directly like on the lace. I'm just gonna comb back my hair. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry for about 10 seconds. I'm gonna take this elastic band, super cheap, like literally like $2, and put it right in between my hair. I'm gonna take this razor. This is from Kiss. You guys can use any type of razor that you please. And I'm gonna start in the middle of my forehead. And I'm just going to start to cut right below where we took out that hair to create our baby hair. I'm gonna take that red can of the Wonder Lace Bond. I'm gonna spray a little bit of that. Take my blow dryer, put it back on cool, the end part of this rat tail comb, and push down on the lace as I blow dry it on cool. I'm gonna be using this to do my baby hairs today. Trust me, y'all, it's gonna be definitely worth all the stickiness. I'm gonna take a little bit of that red can, spray that right on top of that little gel, get a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna start to do my baby hair swoops. Okay, So I actually ended up just showing y'all what the wig or the melt looks like the day after. Let me just go ahead and take down my little wrap. It's been cooking and melting this whole entire time. Listen, okay. So I'm just gonna do a light touch up. I'm gonna take my foundation brush. I don't have any excess foundation on the brush. I'm just gonna go and just place this right on the edges. Pretty much what I do moving forward, y'all know I went in with the yellow can to place the wig down and all that stuff. When I tell y'all this hold of this yellow can is crazy, this spray is better for touch-ups and melting down the lace, and this spray is better for placing the wig down and having it hold crazy strong. The bonding glue, I feel like this is definitely made to really melt that wig down as far as the lace, and it also helps blend in the lace with your skin, and also it's really good because it does do really good with swooping your baby hairs without lifting up the lace, because it's literally like a bonding gel glue. So all it's doing is just melting the lace even further and then also holding those baby hairs in place. So I'm gonna take this strong spray just a little bit as like a little touch up, you know what I'm saying? Period. It's so crazy how strong of a hold this is. Like, this is the craziest my lace. Like, when I tell y'all I'm pulling, y'all know my pull tests are crazy. So I'm just gonna pretty much fast forward through this part because it's really nothing crazy special, but I still want to keep this footage inside of the video. Hey y'all, so I literally have put this entire wig on camera. I installed it. I let y'all see my favorite lace spray combination using the yellow can from ebin, the red can from ebin, and also the bonding glue from Shea Moisture. Honestly y'all, I'm just telling you, these three things for summertime, it's just going to change your entire slay. I'm telling you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and sticking with me this entire freaking video. Hope to see you guys in my next one, and bye guys.